Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Who is stronger, Alexis Lebrun versus Truls Moregard? Table tennis has been gaining more and more attention from sports enthusiasts around the world, especially since it became an Olympic sport. Two players who have been making waves in the table tennis world are Alexis Lebrun and Truls Moregard. Both players have shown great skill and have made their way into the top rankings of the sport. In this article, we will compare the two players and try to determine who is stronger. Truls Moregard is currently ranked as the world number 6. While Alexis Lebrun is ranked as world number 22. These rankings are based on the International Table Tennis Federation's ITTF World Ranking System, which takes into account players' performance in ITTF tournaments over the last 12 months. However, rankings alone do not necessarily determine who is stronger. To truly assess their strength, we must look at their head-to-head matches. Last week, in the Wuti-Xingxiang, Alexis Lebrun defeated Truls Moregard 3-1, showing that he can take on a higher-ranked player and come out on top. Today, in the WT Macao 2023, Alexis Lebrun defeated Truls Moregard again, this time in a much closer match that went 2-5 sets with a final score of 3-2. These results may suggest that Alexis Lebrun is currently the stronger player despite being ranked lower than Truls Moregard. Of course, it is important to remember that table tennis is a highly dynamic and unpredictable sport, and a player's form can fluctuate from tournament to tournament. Another factor to consider is their playing style. Truls Moregard is known for his aggressive style of play with powerful forehand shots and quick reflexes. Alexis Lebrun, on the other hand, is known for his strategic play and strong backhand. Both players have different strengths and weaknesses, which can come into play during their matches. In conclusion, while rankings can give us a general idea of a player's strength, it is their head-to-head matches that truly determine who is stronger. Based on recent results, Alexis Lebrun has shown that he can defeat a higher-ranked player like Truls Moregard, suggesting that he may be currently stronger. However, table tennis is a sport that can be highly unpredictable, and both players have different playing styles that can affect the outcome of their matches. Ultimately, only time and future matches will determine who truly is the stronger player.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.